Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create blend photo collage editing on CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all, I'm going to create new project on my CapCut. I'm going to click on new project, and then I'm going to go to the photos section to select photos from my gallery. And for the first photo, I'm going to select this one. Tap on the photo and we can click on add. Okay, and I'm going to change the aspect ratio. I'm going to select 16:9 ratio, and I'm going to adjust the position. Wait, okay, and I'm going to zoom in like this to make it larger, and I'm going to add my second photo. We can go to overlay, tap on add overlay, and then you can choose your second photo. For the second photo, I'm gonna go with this one, and I'm going to add it to my project. I'm just going to zoom in to make it larger. Okay, and if we want to blend it, we can use mask. You can select the second photo and then go to the mask. Wait guys, you can scroll all the way to the right until you find the mask option, and then select the horizontal mask. Then you can rotate it like this, and I'm going to drag it just like so, and we can adjust the feather to blend the photo collage. You can use this icon to adjust the feather like this to blend it, or you can go to the adjust and then you can adjust the feather. Okay, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and okay, now as you can see guys that the blend photo collage has been created. That's so easy, right? You can also add more photos if you want, but here I'm just using 2 photos. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create blend photo collage editing on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel guys. Bye!